What is up, YouTube? Day 5 of going to the same thrift store every single day, all week long, seeing what we could find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. First 4 days were great. Found stuff each day. Will we find stuff the 5th day? Fridays, this place is completely packed. I try not to come here Fridays, so I'm in for a treat. Let's see what they got. All right, so the media section is looking a little wild. Of course, the games are still in here because they're priced way up. I don't see anything new. This Eddie Murphy collection looks new, actually. I don't think any of these DVDs were in here before. Some of them were, some weren't. And then we have a whole cart filled with DVDs. Looks like a lot of sealed things. Pretty much everything's sealed. So we're going to sit here and scan, see what we can find. This is actually pretty sweet. Like almost everything is sealed in here. This could be a really good cart. Alright, so the DVDs couldn't possibly have been any worse. They were not great. We did find a few things. This one I couldn't find for some reason on Amazon, so I have to do a little more research. I just threw it in here. This, I'll pop up the price. Surprisingly worth a decent amount. It's only $3, so I grabbed it. And then this is the one thing that we saw right when we walked in, the Eddie Murphy collection at $4. It's worth it. So, I mean, that entire cart, there was one, possibly two DVDs. That's not great. So we're gonna look at the toys and then head over to the electronics. And now my cart is making a big noise and I hate it. All right, so all these baggies, I love looking for the mishmashed bag filled with toys. Here we go, we have a Pokemon in there. And another Pokemon. There's a couple Pokemon in here. Yokai Watch Guy. That might be cool. I don't know, not enough toys in there for $2.99. See another baggie right back here. Let's see, how much is this? What do we got here? $2.99 also. There's more toys. We have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, some action heroes. I don't know. I kind of like that, so we'll grab that. Do I want to grab the Pokemon? I don't know. I don't think these are anything. I can't tell. Are they like McDonald's toys? I really don't know. Is this a little Pokeball? Oh, it's like a little shooter. It shoots Pokeball discs. I don't know. You can make a little Pokemon lot. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. And for $2.99, we'll take it. We'll look them up later. This one has some random figures of Superman. I like seeing Superman, some other action heroes for $1.99. I don't know. That might be okay. She's missing her hand. I don't love that. They look damaged. And some Pez. Yeah, we'll leave that one. That's fine. I don't want broken toys. What do we have over here? A bunch of Mr. Potato Head and Mrs. Potato Head accessories for $3.99. It's a lot of accessories. I don't know if those are worth anything. They might be, but I'm going to leave them. Oh, here we go. We have another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. That's kind of cool. $2.99. There's a Venom in there. There's a few cool guys in here. I don't know. We'll check it out later. Why not? What do we have up here? A big bag of Skylanders. These are probably priced up, yeah, $10. I know certain Skylanders are worth it. Well, there's got to be over 10 in here, right? Oh, there's like half pieces. I don't love that. It looks like there might be over 10, so less than $1 each. Could be worth it. Under $1 each. We'll look them up. Why not? What else do we have here? We have a couple Funko Pops. $5 for Hulk and Goku. They always get all scuffed up, though. I know it's hard to tell, but his chin is all scuffed up. I don't love that. Here we go. I found some more Skylanders. Here's another baggie of them for $10. That might be okay. I don't know. Am I really about to drop $20 on Skylanders? Possibly 30. I don't know. I see a whole bunch of them right here. This one has less than 10. It better be less than $10. Oh, it's only $5. Okay. Yeah, it looks like they're pricing them at just under $1 each. So, I mean, that's not bad. Under $1 each. Throw them in there. And what do we have right here? A little Spider-Man. Old Spider-Man dude that flies. I don't think that's anything. What do we have in here? Some Happy Meal toys for $1.99. I love some of these old ones. I find some cool ones from the 90s and early 2000s. I don't think there's anything too neat in here. Wait, what's that? Little wristband. Yeah, we'll leave that too. Alright, I'm walking up and down the aisles, and I don't think any new ones are out, like, at all. now that I'm looking around, I haven't seen a single thing that looks different to me. So I don't think the games are really going to be an area to look at. I still have this one more aisle to check, and yeah, nothing here looks new at all. Yeah, everything here is the same that was here the other day. So we'll leave this area and go check out another area. All right, I was just about to leave the game area, and then I realized I hadn't actually seen this, and it's 50% off, so it's only $1.50. I just looked inside. It's complete in there. Pop the price up. It sells for over 20 bucks, so hey, I'll grab this. Why not? And then I noticed one more thing over here that looked new to me. This little Sonic race car, $8. Kind of high, but maybe that's good price. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's scan it in. All right, here we go. Let's scan it, see what we got. And yeah, it sells for 20. Amazon's on it at 20, but it looks like, oh, it normally sells for 28. Amazon's just bringing the price down to 20. So normally you'd make 18 after fees. That's good, but at 20, not so much. And Amazon might be on it for a long time at 20. Who knows? So at $8, gotta leave it. Okay, I must have found the little batch of things that are brand newly put out, because this goblet wasn't here. It's also 50% off, so it's only $2.50. And here it is selling used for $25. So it's about a $12 profit. We'll snag that. Why not? Alright, so the Legos are always wildly overpriced here. That's why there's always so many on the shelves. Like this Harry Potter that they're selling for $30, I think sells on Amazon for $30. There's another Harry Potter one up here listed at, yep, $30. I think it sells on Amazon for about $30. But this little guy right here, this little reindeer, selling for $8, brand new. That's pretty cool. I looked him up, and the issue is the rank is kind of high, but it sells for $34. So it is worth it, but I think the rank's high, but it'll come down around Christmas because people might be looking for kind of Christmassy sets. So I think I'll grab it and just wait, and hopefully it sells around Christmas time. Maybe make about 15-20 bucks. So we'll grab it. All right, I'm at kind of the outdoor recreational section, and I found this thing. Never heard of it before. It's a slide. The Grom, it's a handboard. So you kind of slip your hand into it like that, and you could ride waves at the ocean. I don't know, it's only $3.99. I guess it was on Shark Tank, which is kind of cool. And I looked it up, and take a look at these prices. It's selling. I'll grab it at $3.99. Super unique, something I've never seen before, so why not? I'm in the youth children's aisle, which I never look at, but I pulled this out, which is pretty sweet. It's a Reebok size small to medium youth for $5. A Jonathan Taves jersey right here, which is pretty sweet. It's in really good shape also. Like super clean. I don't see any stains or anything. For $5. These sell on eBay for about 25 bucks, maybe 30. So I figured at $5, why not? We'll grab it. It's pretty cool. All right, I found that cool hockey jersey and the kid stuff, so I decided to come check out the adult stuff. And look at this, the Hartford Wolfpack, which are the New York Rangers farm team, and it's from the year 2000. It's a Calder Cup promotional jersey. Pretty cool. It is $10, and I looked it up and I found it. Found the exact one from 2000, and it sold for $66. That's the sold price. 66 bucks. It was an XL. This is a size XL, so that's cool. And then right behind it for $8 is this one. I've never seen this, but it does have the Wolfpack Hockey Club on it. It's like, I can't find anything on this. It's really cool. I've never seen this logo here. It's like the wolf head on a submarine. But at $8, I think I'm just gonna grab it. Why not? This one's really cool. That one's really cool. If this one sells for 66, maybe the other one does too. I'm grabbing them both. It's rare that I find a book that's worth something. And looking down here, I saw this. It's expensive. $8 for a Roblox book collection. I don't know. It just looked heavy duty, high quality. So I scanned it in. Take a look at this. Selling pretty well for $40. You'll make 25. Okay, yeah. I mean, I hate spending $8 on some books at the thrift store, but Looks like, you know, it's only $4 more than all their other books. And I don't think most of these are worth much at all. So we'll take it. We'll take it. Why not? Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I found some more DVDs. This was only $2. You guys can see it's selling pretty well. Broadway's Lost Treasures. And then I found this Elizabeth Gaskell collection, whatever that is. I have no idea. But it's $6, a little high, but still makes some decent money there, so we'll take it. Alright, I filled up the cart. It looks pretty good. I think we got enough stuff. Not seeing anything else, and this place closes soon, so we gotta get out of here. But I am happy with the haul today. Lots of different things, lots of cool things. These jerseys, super stoked about the jerseys. The toys will be fun to open later. And yeah, I think we did all right today. Last day.